I'm Gary Punter. Until recently I was the Chief Technology Officer for AB Sugar in the UK. One of my proudest achievements was to be the architect of the best biorefinery in the UK, the Wissington Sugar Factory near Cambridge. Quite early on we realised that as a commodity manufacturer we needed to diversify, and we looked at our resource, our raw material, to diversify. Halfway during the journey of developing the Wissington No Waste biorefinery, we met the guys at Cambridge. And they reflected back to us how innovative British Sugar had become. And we're working with Cambridge, they codified the successes and barriers to the No Waste biorefinery, which helped us a lot in the journey. I think beyond that codifying, Cambridge introduced me to a wider network of people and companies that made me start to think differently about safe innovation. And I was able to go back into my business and do a better job because of the breadth that Cambridge brought to me. At the IFM briefing in London on the 25th of June, you can hear me talk about the Wissington No Waste biorefinery case study and further our hopes and expectations to extend that case study to more sectors, more companies, more countries in the future.